Hello friends, Running Kimono. We're back in the kitchen recording a video. We have some Walgreens curbside pickups. We have some Walgreens cheapies. We have the cheap VIVA towel we'll talk about. And then if you have a Rite Aid in your neck of the woods, a lot of the Tide products are 50% off. And then plus they have a spend 30, get back 10. Plus they also have a spend 60, get back 15. So all of this, believe it or not, was free, and I'm going to walk you through that. And even in my little store, we had 50% off Tide products, so I will jog you through that. The weather report for you guys, kind of a cooler one today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. And for all you cat lovers out there, we have a little barn cat who's visiting this morning. This cat, one of the last remaining, we had some other cats who disappeared. I guess they are staying at the farm. There's a farmer who lives about 3 houses down, but this girl still comes to visit. She looks kind of sad, but she's a nice little girl, and we provide them a little bit of water and a little bit of kibble every morning, but she's a little cutie. And I call her Sad Suzu because she looks like my cat, but just sad. So I think they were litter mates, but she looks sad. Beautiful cat though. Okay. So let's go to Walgreens. I know a lot of you are just here for the Walgreens intel, so you can do this deal in store or online. The Viva paper towel is $4.99 this week. Either digitally, you have a $3 or a $2 digital, so you'll pay, I paid $2.99 for this, or alternatively, you'll pay $1.99 if you have the $3 coupon. That coupon is also your mileage may vary, meaning not every account gets it. I think if you buy Viva, you're more inclined to get it. Alternatively, there's also a 5 off of 2 Cottonelle, so load that one right away and, you know, just rolls with the punches. And you can do this either as a curbside or you can do it as an in-store deal. Walgreens must be feeling quite generous. I got this on both of my store accounts, and this is for next week. It's a booster of spend 20, get back 5 with the soaring cost of items. Definitely going to be using this with a couple deals starting on Sunday. Still right here. With the 2 Kotex, the 2 Epsom salts, and the Father's Day cards is a curbside deal only. So the salts that are 3 pounds each, they are $2.98. The U by Kotex pads are 2 for $5. And for the salt, we have coupons for them. And then for these, we have a 4 off of 2, so it'd be $1 for the 2. And these are $1 Father's Day cards, and we have a 2 off of 2 and a $1 coupon. So for all of this magic, guys, it was $10.98. I chose to do a curbside pickup. I ordered all this stuff through the cell phone. Off of the salt, I think $2.48 came off from my Walgreens coupons for that. I had a 4 off of 2 for the Kotex, and then the cards were completely for free. So the new subtotal I had with tax was $1.86. I used $1 of Walgreens cash and paid 86 cents. And then when I went and got my order at the store, I photographed the receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I got $1 back for the purchase of my Kotex. So it made this 86 cents for the 2 bags of salt, the 2 pads, and the 3 Father's Day cards. That is a phenomenal deal if you can line it up. Thing I did want to point out to you guys, because I know I'm hearing a lot of static about the Walgreens knockoff Epsom salt. So you can use this to soak, you know, if you're not feeling good, or even like a wound or something like that. There's many different uses for Epsom salt. But this is a 3 pound bag, if you look at the bottom there. And this is a Dr. Teal's bag, because I do take a lot of baths, so I am kind of versed in this. This right now at a Meijer grocery store is like, I think like $6.30, and to pay $1.99 for this bag on a curbside, and I think it's pretty much the same sort of like salt. It's a really good value, even without coupons, for like $1.99 on a BOGO 50% off. Like that's totally what it's about. And like this has really soared in price. Like I think it's like $6.40 for one bag at Meijer. I almost fainted when I saw that. So I just wanted to pull this out of my bathroom just to give you like the difference. And I bought this on clearance a little bit back, but usually like $6.79 is the regular price. And I think at Meijer it's like $6.20 or $6.30 for a bag of Dr. Teal's. And this is probably the same. They have the scent of eucalyptus and lavender for this salt. And if you bathe, you know precisely what I'm talking about. This is a deal of the week that I think everybody should be doing on the Colgate. The paste is $3.99, the brush is $3.99 for a total of $7.98 for the two products. We have a $2 digital for this guy and a $2 digital for this guy, leaving you $3.98. When you buy two, you get $4 of Walgreens cash back. So it makes it completely for free. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can earn it, you can roll it. It's perfectly fine. You can spend it to earn it. Very good surprise and luck. I found a couple more of these Taki. They're like hot peanuts and they're really good. This one is my favorite. They're 29 cents each. This is food clearance. It started last week and I bought 6 more bags because this is a treat that I really, really enjoy. It's so good. It has a really good kick of heat and it is really, really good. This lime chili one is my favorite. So yummy. Okay, so now we're over at Rite Aid. If you have this pharmacy, that's great. If you don't, so sorry. So they have a deal here this week, and you either have a email coupon or it's from the flyer. And I used a flyer one because it came to my house. It is to spend 60, get back 15. This is a $60 order. So what I got was 4 of the clearance Tides. So I think this week the sales price is like $5.94, but they're $4.99. This is a 32 loader, so I think they're all going to be like 25 loads like they have at Walgreens, so 32, so this is a bigger one. And then these are the 20 counts of the Tide Pods, and I think they're probably gonna bring them to like 12 or whatever it is. So these are $3.74 and these are $4.99. So this was $19.96 and then $14.96. We have dollar coupons found on P&G Good every day. Unfortunately, you can only use one for each, so the verbiage of the coupon is super strict. And then when you spend 30 on this, you get back 10, plus it's also a big part of the spend 60, get back 15. I also found 4 boxes of dryer sheets on clearance, and these were, I think, like $2 and some change per. I left one in the car, but I have to bag these up because I don't like the smell of them. It's very strong for me. I like the Tide Free and Gentle dryer sheets. I don't use these ones. But anyhow, this was $9.56 of dryer sheets, also 50% off. And then to bulk up the basket to get it to $60, I got 3 of these CoverGirls. The promotion for this is to buy 3 and then get back $10 in bonus cash. And we have a $4 coupon found on coupons.com. So these are $4.69 each. Do the math. So it's 14. 07 for the 3, subtracting $12 of coupons, and then you get $10 back. That's a nice little money maker right there. And then these Vaselines are buy, I think it's buy 2, get 1 for free, and then you get back $4 in bonus cash for that as well. So for this whole basket, that include all the Tide, Bounce, CoverGirl, and Vaseline, it's a total of $62.53. I got the cashier to scan the spend 60, get back 15, plus I had a coupon that popped out of the Catalina machine when I started checking out of spend 60, get 12 off. So that also worked, which is crazy. And then I also used, for the CoverGirl, 3 $4 coupons, $1 for this, $1 for this. So my new subtotal after everything was said and done was $36.53 plus my tax. And I just rolled a bunch of bonus cash. And then I got back $39 in bonus cash. 15 for the booster, 10 for Tide, 10 for CoverGirl, 4 for Vaseline. I mean, it's just fantastic. So it basically made my order free if you look at it that way. So it's really fantastic. spend 30, get back 10 for the Tide. I am like, I think like $17 short. So I'm going to go find a couple more of these and then call it a day and get another $10 back. So I have to get $17 more of Tide products and then I get $10 back. So I'm really close to that. So I'm going to do that today now that the bonus cash has showed up on my card and I can use it again. But this was a really good deal. So if you have a Rite Aid and you want to peep around and see if there's clearance stuff, and it's just these products. I know they have a larger container of Tide and they have a bunch of like scent beads and stuff, but it is specifically the smaller liquid detergent and the pods. To show you guys in the center there, $6.74. So yeah, there it is. It was always like $5.94. So they jumped that by $1. So we're looking specifically for the clearance stuff at the small stuff. I know they have the larger Tide Pods and the larger detergent, but those are not part of it. It has to be these smaller ones like this picture right here, these ones. Or on clearance. And if you can find it on clearance, it's a much better deal. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.